Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about citizenship, rights of citizen, and responsibilities of a good citizen. So let's start. Citizenship. Citizenship is the legal status of a citizen of a person living in a particular country. As a citizen, we have many rights and responsibilities. The first duty of every government is to ensure the protection of the rights of citizens, and it is the duty of every citizen to fulfill his responsibilities. Rights of citizens. Citizens have many rights granted by state. These are legal and economic rights to help citizens live a better life. Some basic rights of citizens are freedom and the right to live. To live according to one's religion and belief. The right to education. The right to organize peaceful assembly and free movement. The right to pursue any profession. The right to vote. Freedom of expression. Responsibilities of citizens are the responsibility of every citizen to perform their duties properly. As a good citizen, it is their moral and legal duty to fulfill their responsibilities for the peace and prosperity of the country. Some responsibilities of citizens are as follows. Number first one is to be loyal to their country, to be proud of being its citizens, to respect and obey the laws and rules, to treat others with respect and politeness, to respect others' rights, beliefs, and opinions, to pay taxes honestly and on time, to protect the environment from all kinds of pollution, to use water, electricity, and gas carefully, to use knowledge and skills to be beneficial to the society. Last one is to use and sustain resources on equality basis and be honest in everyday life. Thanks for watching.